AI is replacing developers, right? AI tools are speeding up coding by 55%. That sounds like good news, but it's actually a warning. The developers who survived this shift aren't the ones who code faster, but they're the ones who stopped thinking like coders and started thinking like system architects. Because that's what they should have been doing in the first place. Coding is like the low level boilerplate work that software developers were doing before AI. But now that AI has mastered the low level work, we can focus on the high level work, making systems actually work together and we can move quicker. So generative AI tools are making developers 55% more productive. That's the headline. But here's what the headline doesn't say. The work that's getting automated is the same work most junior developers get paid to do. So the industry is moving away from traditional data science and heavy on data wrangling. The industry is moving away from traditional data science, which is heavy on data wrangling, statistical analysis, writing raw syntax, and toward a new discipline called AI engineering. AI engineers aren't training models from scratch, they're system architects. They integrate pre trained models into complex software pipelines and manage teams of autonomous digital workers. The irony is that the tools that are supposed to make coding easier are raising the floor on what it means to be a developer. You can't just write code anymore. You have to architect systems that include AI as a component, and that means understanding what AI actually does under the hood. The real moat against automation isn't coding speed, it's transdisciplinary depth. So, if you combine serious technical AI skills with deep domain knowledge like healthcare, legal, real estate, finance, logistics, that combination is nearly impossible to automate because domain expertise plus technical judgment plus practical wisdom is what actually makes a system useful. So the AI engineer era is not coming. The question is whether you're building the harness or waiting to be replaced by someone who is.